When I record my videos, one of the most difficult things for me is being able to look at the camera and remember my lines and not look like I'm trying to remember them. So I use PowerPoint's teleprompter facility to help me. My camera sits at the top of my screen, and if I look directly at it, I look like I'm looking over the camera. So I have to look at the top of the screen, and the teleprompter is in exactly the right place. You don't have to use PowerPoint to record your videos. You can just use the teleprompter facilities as follows. Firstly, add your speech to the notes sections of a slide. Select the record button at the top right-hand corner and you will see the notes displayed at the top in the teleprompter. Then, with whatever app you're using, start recording your video. Return to PowerPoint and read your lines using the mouse or keyboard to work through the text. If you have any further questions regarding this facility or PowerPoint in general, please feel free to contact me.